Alright, so I had somebody ask me how to deal with branches using Pycharm in particular, but it really works the same way for all the IntelliJ projects. So I was going to do something really fast with some branches. Alright, so I have a project. Here I am on Bitbucket, and when I look at branches, it just shows my master branch. Alright, so the first thing I'll do is come over to Pycharm, and down at the lower right-hand corner, it'll tell me which branch I'm on. Right now I'm on the master branch. If I click that, it gives me a pop-up and gives me a chance to create a new branch. I'm going to give it a title. Let's call it test branch 1. And then it immediately switches me over to test branch 1. So if I take a file, we'll add something here. We'll do a print on test branch 1, just so we have something different in the file. And it'll show me in the changes, here they are, show the diff on test branch 1. So I can go ahead and I can commit this, and what it does is it'll commit it locally. So I've created a branch on my machine, but I haven't pushed it up to Bitbucket. So if I look at branches again, you'll see I still only have master. So we can go ahead and commit this change, just testing. I'm just going to commit it for right now. Let's go ahead and commit that. You can see I got my on the test branch. Now let me switch back over to master, where it says local branches. What would you like to do? I selected master, and I'd like to check out master. So now the lower right tells me I'm on the master branch, and you can see the line that I just added to this file is gone. Now let me switch back over to test branch 1, and I'll check out test branch 1, and you'll see that I have the line of code that I just added. Alright, so now if I have this branch and I want to get it up to my Bitbucket account, I can do a git push. And to make this work, it might be hard to see, but up here it says no tracking branch. Use checkbox below to push branch to manually specified, showing these 5 commits. Alright, so what it's telling me is there is no remote tracking branch out on Bitbucket called test branch 1. So if I select that checkbox, it's going to push it, and if the test branch 1 doesn't exist, it's going to create it. So let's go ahead and push that up to my Bitbucket, and it's currently working on that. It says success, test branch 1 pushed to a new branch, origin, which is the remote, called test branch 1. So now if we go over to Bitbucket and I refresh, you'll see I now have 2 branches. Oh, interesting. It doesn't show me the other branch, but it just tells me I have 2. Alright, well, I have 2 branches. So, so that's really all you have to do to get that up to Bitbucket. And if I want to keep switching, I can just go over to check out local branches, master, check out. And if I'd like to now move that change from the branch into the master, go up to VCS and go to Git. Excuse me, VCS Git, and there's a Merge Changes option. Go ahead and select that. So what you're saying is I'm on master, and now it's asking you what branch would you like to merge in. So let's merge my local test branch 1, because that's where all my changes are. Or you could pick the remote. You can forget about these options here at the moment, and just go ahead and select merge. And that will take the changes that I had on test branch 1 and merge them into master. So now master is ready to go. And I've got all those changes there, and as soon as I'm done, maybe I add another change here. Print on master now. And I can go ahead and commit. Commit that change, merged from test branch, and I can commit and push. And now that's going to select master. You see how it selected the master down here? So that's going to push my master branch with the changes I got from the test branch up to master. And there you go. That's all there is to it.